Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect mixing bowls? I have got the answer for you. So this beautiful mixing bowl set is by ARC Imports, and it comes with everything that you see here. I love this mixing bowl set. I got it to replace some older ones that I had, and I am so glad that I did. So I want to tell you some of the wonderful features about this. So you can see me here making a meatloaf, and something that I love about this is the largest bowl has the option to be a grater also. So I grated up my onions and they fell right in there. I also grated up some pepper, and it was just so useful. Rather than chopping it, I had this option, and there's two other options that you can put in the bowl to get the perfect size of whatever you're trying to chop. So one thing that I absolutely love about this bowl is I have both hands in there mixing this meatloaf, and that bowl is not budging. So that is fantastic. I don't have to have one hand holding the bowl and the other one doing the mixing. I also love how compact it is. You can fit all of them inside each other, and it just takes up a tiny bit of space, which is nice. I love that all of them have their own lids. That's fantastic, because I also like to mix stuff and then put it in the fridge, and I don't have to wrap it with saran wrap because it all has their own lids. Here's another example of one of the interchangeable grates that come with it. It comes with 3 different sizes. This one I used to cut a vegetable with, and it worked great. So overall, these mixing bowls have been exactly what I was looking for. I highly recommend them. I love them, and I think you'll love them too. But that's just my point of view.